Imagine your gray hair isn't a lifetime sentence, but a reversible chemical signal, one you can interrupt with nothing more than onion juice and toothpaste. It sounds like a viral hoax, yet the underlying science is too compelling to ignore. We've been told gray equals surrender, a white flag of aging. But deep inside each tiny follicle, an invisible oxidation war is raging. Hydrogen peroxide accumulates relentlessly, stripping melanin the way bleach fades a cherished fabric, strand by strand. The guardian enzyme catalase normally breaks that peroxide down, molecule by molecule, but levels plummet with age, chronic stress, and poor nutrition, leaving pigment cells defenseless and fading fast. So, if we could artificially replenish catalase and clear this oxidative debris, could we actually coax our lost color back, follicle by follicle? Enter two unlikely allies from your bathroom and pantry. Number 1. Onion as nature's overlooked catalase recharger. Onion juice is one of nature's richest and most concentrated sources of catalase and organosulfur compounds. When you massage it into the scalp, it rapidly breaks down accumulated hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen, scrubbing the toxic environment around melanocytes like a deep cellular cleanse, a root-level detox. Plus, the bioavailable sulfur feeds the keratin matrix, making strands noticeably stronger, thicker, and more resilient, while pigment production silently reboots. Gray hair is a chemical error your scalp is primed to repair. But can onion alone penetrate deeply enough into the dermal layer where the action happens? That's where toothpaste enters the picture. Number 2. Toothpaste as the follicle opening catalyst you never saw coming. Before you laugh, stop and consider its underrated ingredients. Fine silica abrasives and gentle surfactants that exfoliate without irritation, lifting away scaly dead skin, hardened sebum plugs, and styling residue that suffocate your hair roots. Once the follicle is clear and receptive, onion enzymes reach the dermal papilla directly, like a key sliding into a freshly cleaned lock. Menthol in the paste instantly wakes up dormant microcirculation, delivering a rush of oxygen and nutrients at the perfect moment when the follicle is most receptive. So, does toothpaste color your hair? Not at all. It works like a key, unlocking the door, not redecorating the room. Number 3. The paste synergy that changes the game. Blending onion juice with toothpaste creates a creamy, adhesive mask that clings to the scalp instead of dripping away. This thick occlusion means the volatile sulfur gases stay trapped against the skin, maximizing catalase action for minutes, not seconds. A smart bonus: the minty coolness neutralizes that pungent onion reek, so you won't repel your family. It's a perfect duo. Onion handles the biochemistry, toothpaste delivers the access. Number 4. The honest biology. Is this a permanent fix? Let's be clear. Snow-white strands where melanocyte stem cells have permanently died will never regain pigment. No cream resurrects the dead. Yet, for the first silver threads caused by oxidative overload and enzyme deficiency, this method can dramatically slow the spread and may rekindle follicles that are still sleeping. Regular use of this paste creates an oxygen-rich, detoxified microclimate where pigment cells thrive, hair regains strength, and your natural tone resurfaces. You're not painting over a problem. You're re-educating your scalp's chemistry, one application at a time. Final words. If this onion toothpaste biological hack blew your mind, tap that like button and subscribe to Healthy Lifestyle for more science-backed natural remedies that actually work. Then tell us in the comments, could you get past the onion smell for younger-looking hair? Drop your truth below. We read every honest answer.